How to create Forex trading account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can create Forex trading account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser and in the search bar type in forex.com, then press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to Forex official website. Now in order to create an account, navigate to top right corner and there is this button with green color that says start trading. So click on it. You'll be taken into different page. Here you will see different types of account that you can create in Forex. So select your preferred account type. Once you have selected your preferred account, now in order to create account, you have to fill in some information. So on the first step, you have to provide your account information. First of all, choose the country or region of your residence. Click on this drop down and choose your country. Under that, you have to enter your valid email address where you'll be contacted primarily through the email. So make sure you type in the valid email address that you have access to currently. Under that, there is a field for username. So you have to enter your username. Under that, you have to create a password, and it says your password must be 8 to 15 characters with one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and one symbol or a special character. So make sure to create a valid password. Under that, you have to select your title. Select your title. And then you have to provide your first name, which is exactly as it appears on your passport or ID. And under that, enter your last name. Similarly, select your date of birth and enter your phone number. Once you have filled up all this information, click on Save and Continue. And on the next step, you have to provide all your verification details such as your passport or your ID in order to verify your identity. And then on the next step, you will have an account on Forex. It is trading experience. So provide all the necessary details or information that is asked of you. And on the last step, you will have your account on Forex Trading, or you will have your Forex Trading account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.